Hey everybody, welcome back to Rhino Off-Road. So I finally got the ball joints replaced on my JK, which means this weekend we're going to head up to the Sierra National Forest and check out the Bald Mountain area around Shaver Lake and do some wheeling and camping with a few local Jeepers. I've got to plan the route, look for a few possible campsites, and then do some grocery shopping and pack the Jeep. So that said, let's get moving. Alright, so we're going to take off. It just started snowing here and we're going to go set up camp. Let's do it. All right, guys, so we just got here to camp. We got off Bald Mountain. Pretty sketchy going down, to be honest, probably more so than going up, but got the iKamper popped up, so from here I'll probably get a fire going. Hopefully the snow stops at some point, but you know what? If it doesn't, that's why I'm up here. So I'm gonna get to work. All right, so I've been sitting around the fire for a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and make some dinner. So let me show you what I brought. Took a play out of Edwardson's playbook here. I'm sure you guys have seen him on YouTube, but he's always a big fan of ribeye and asparagus, so figured I'd give that a try today. I also got this little cheap $5 grill that you put over the fire that I'm gonna cook this up on. I brought some salt and some garlic salt and some pepper, so we'll season this up as well as the asparagus and then get them on the grill. All right, so I picked up this Pat Grill thing at the store. It was like $5, but I'm gonna try to cook the steak right over the fire with this. We'll see how well it actually works. Oh.
Did you move it?
Yeah, I lost like all the asparagus. No. You had to say it.
I'm all looking.
We're good. Everything's fine. Alright guys, so I just climbed up into the tent. We finished a kind of fun night around the fire. The Mr. Heater Buddy have had warming the tent here for about half an hour. It's hooked to that 20-pound propane tank that's sitting on the ground outside, and it's working great. As you can see, the hose here pretty much runs straight from the Mr. Heater Buddy down through this flap and then out to the outside of the tent. I got my mattresses inflated, which I'll probably talk about in another episode here. Really phenomenal purchase for how inexpensive it is on Amazon, but self-inflating mattress is up. I got my bedding that's lives in the tent basically, so I'm just gonna finish my box of Mike and Ike's as a little midnight snack and call it a night. So other than that, we'll see you all in the morning. Alright guys, well it's a beautiful morning out here up in the Sierras. Snowed on us a little bit last night, and then I think it stopped before we went to bed, and other than that, it's pretty cold, but my Mr. Heater buddy pretty much did exactly what I needed to do, so I felt pretty comfortable all night. Just gonna enjoy my cup here of Kona coffee and my Rhino off-road mug. Thank you, Anj, and make some breakfast. Let's do it. Alright, finished breakfast. I'm gonna finish off this last of this jet fuel that I have for coffee, and then we'll get her packed up and head on out. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in. Please hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, the bell icon for notification of my future uploads, and then be sure to smash that like button if you liked the video. Special thank you to Josh, Brittany, Logan, Natalie, and Garrett for their hospitality and hosting me both yesterday during wheeling and then last night for a camping trip. Thank you again, and we'll see you on the next one.